Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what secrets the stars hold? Are you curious about ancient prophecies that have been passed down for generations? Today, I'm diving deep into the mysteries of the Navajo prophecy, particularly the tale of the nine-pointed star and the two chiefs. The Navajo, or Diné, as they call themselves, have a rich spiritual tradition that is deeply intertwined with the natural world. Central to this tradition is the belief that the stars are not just distant lights, but living entities with their own energies and messages. One of the most fascinating aspects of Navajo cosmology is the prophecy of the nine-pointed star. Unlike the more common 5- or 6-pointed stars, the nine-pointed star has a special significance. It's a symbol of divine completeness, representing the harmony and unity of all things. Each point on the star corresponds to a different aspect of life and the universe, creating a perfect balance. Now let's talk about the two chiefs. According to Navajo prophecy, the two chiefs represent powerful spiritual guardians who watch over the earth and its inhabitants. They are often depicted as eagles, soaring high above, their keen eyes always vigilant. These chiefs are believed to be the protectors of the natural world and the keepers of ancient wisdom. The prophecy states that when the nine-pointed star aligns perfectly in the sky, it heralds a time of great change. The two chiefs will come together to guide humanity through this transformation, offering their wisdom and protection. It's a time for spiritual awakening, for reconnecting with the earth, and for embracing the interconnectedness of all life. But what does this mean for us today? In a world that often feels chaotic and disconnected, the Navajo prophecy offers a message of hope and guidance. It's a reminder that we are all part of a larger cosmic tapestry, and that by aligning ourselves with the energies of the universe, we can find balance and harmony. So next time you find yourself gazing up at the stars, take a moment to reflect on the mysteries they hold. Remember the nine-pointed star and the two chiefs, and let their wisdom guide you on your spiritual journey. Whether you're seeking insight, protection, or simply a deeper connection with the universe, the Navajo prophecy is a powerful source of inspiration. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Navajo prophecy. If you found this video enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual insights. And get our new book on the subject on our bookshelf at amazon.com/author/GMEbooks. And visit our websites at Gem and Mineral Exchange and TucsonMineralMile.com for a treasure trove of free content. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your heart open to the mysteries of the universe. Keep exploring and stay curious, my friends.